Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. This is Daisy. I hope you're all well and healthy. Today is Friday evening and I do fancy something rather special. So I've decided to make Paneer Biryani. I'm going to make a video and also talk you through the recipe. I do hope that you watch this video till the end and try my recipe. There's 2-3 steps to this recipe. It's not that difficult to make, as you will see in the end. So keep watching. We'll use 2 cups of long grain rice. So this is long grain rice. I'm going to wash it 2-3 times and then soak it for about 20 minutes. So while this rice is soaking for 20 minutes, we'll start on the marinade. Let me show you what we need. So this is what we need for the marinade of the paneer. We will need yogurt, natural yogurt, and chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, and of course paneer. I'm using about 400 grams in here. Depending on you how much paneer you want in there. So this is 400 grams of paneer cut in cubes. I'm using a cup of yogurt. In this yogurt I've added 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt, half a teaspoon. Add the paneer cubes now and mix it all well. Need to be really gentle with this because it's fresh paneer. We'll just leave that to marinate for a few minutes. Well, I'll give it anything between 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll start on the rice. We will now start on the rice which has been soaking for 20 minutes. The water is boiling and we are just going to drain the water and add the rice to it. To this water, we will now add these spices. So we'll add 2 bay leaves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, about 4 or 5 cardamom seeds, 4 to 5 cloves, and a couple of anise seed. This is optional if you've got it, but it gives it a really nice taste. There you go. The rice is now boiling and we'll wait for it to get ready. In the meanwhile, I'll show you how to prepare the milk. This is about 75 ml of warm milk and I'm just going to add some saffron to it and let it infuse with the warm milk. This we will use when the biryani is nearly ready. We'll just add it to it. So we'll have to stir the rice, making sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. So the rice is nearly ready now. It's a little bit more than 3/4 cooked. It will cook a bit further once it's put with the paneer. So I'm just going to drain the water in the strainer. Right, for the next part we will need to cook the paneer and then add the rice to it. So to start with, we'll need 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. So if you don't want to use ghee, you can use oil or you could use a mixture of it. And then we will need onions chopped. This is 2 medium onions, 3 to 4 tomatoes chopped again, coriander, mint, 2 to 3 green chili depending on how hot you want it, coriander powder, ginger and garlic, turmeric powder, salt. And the spices you will need are bay leaves, piece of cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cardamom, and a few cloves. Start by heating a pan and putting about 3 tablespoons of ghee in it and let it heat. Next we'll add the cinnamon stick, a couple of bay leaf, about 5 to 6 cloves and 4 to 5 cardamom, and let it all fry. We'll then saute the onion till it's brown. So the onion is now ready. We'll just add the tomatoes in. There we go. So we'll add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, tiny bit of salt. Right, so what we'll do, we'll just cover this for about 2-3 minutes and let it cook. Okay. So as you can see, this is all, the tomato is all cooked and it's mushy. So we'll now add the paneer marinade. So we'll gently pour the marinade into it. So this should be cooked in dim flame. Just add the coriander and the mint. So in goes the mint. I'll keep some of the mint for later. Now the coriander. Save some coriander for later. Mix it all well. Put the flame in medium heat and let it cook. Hi, it's now been 3 to 5 minutes, and as you can see, the yogurt's cooked and the ghee has separated from it. So it's now time to put the rice in. So you need to have the flame on dim all the time because you do not want it to be burning underneath. And just lay your rice on top. So the rice is on top of that paneer now. So what we're going to do is pour the milk infused with the saffron on top, sort of everywhere, all over. And then add the rest of the mint on top and the coriander as well, just for garnishing. What we're going to do is cover this with a lid here. There you go. That's just all sealed. So this is all covered now. Hopefully it won't let any steam escape. Right, so it's been 10 minutes since this is cooking. So let's see what's happening inside. Right, there, so you can see the steam coming up and it's smelling beautiful. Lovely fragrance coming from the rice. So what we need to do is just turn from inside so we can mix it. Yeah. I'm going to mix half of it and then dish it out. There you go, the paneer biryani is now ready to be served.